One more! Oh, man. Oh, man. You gotta have earmuffs near that thing.
Did you record it?
Yes, I did.
The way it echoes through the building. Oh, my God.
How's it going, YouTube? Here's episode 1 of Moorpark Mondays. Our first train is Metrolink 118, and it looks like it does have a F59PHR shoving. Let's see what happens when it gets close. Oh yes, it is an F59PHR shoving. Nice. Okay. Nice. Good horn show. I actually want to focus on the back because there's an F59 PHR shoving. Nice, 856 shoving this train to Union Station. Okay, our next train will be 118 terminating here. And then hopefully we'll get the freight train and Amtrak 784. Okay, as we were waiting for Metrolink 118 arrive, guys, here comes the Guadalupe turn-off freight train. Ace leading, nice. Might be pretty long, I don't know. It's got an ace leading. Nice. Great crew on this train, too. Long string of boxcars in front, a few lumber cars mixed in, and a long string of tankers in back. Is there a gondola boxcar in the back? Looks like there might be a gondola. This is the reason we came out here today. See the northbound Guadalupe. train, great crew. Now headed to Guadalupe, I think. Otherwise I wouldn't have tank cars. See, the Leesdale local doesn't have tanker cars. Okay, here comes Metrolink 121 with yet another F59PHR leading. Nice! Oh yeah, it's definitely an F59PHR. I can tell from the horn. Two F59PHRs and an Ace. Really good day rail fan. Even if it is just for a couple of hours. Metrolink 121 is now gonna deadhead to the maintenance facility. The shadow is really not good here. I could probably adjust it. Now usually they stop before they go into the yard because they have to pull the switches and such. So I'm gonna skip that and just film when she actually pulls into the yard. Sounds like alright. Over here, the transit-oriented development looks like it's pretty much fully painted and built. They'll probably just have to lever this building right here. It looks more old-fashioned than they did for the larger building here. I think it's supposed to be a restaurant. So I just want to show you what we got. Yeah, it looks like all they really have to do now is pave the parking lot. So, hello. Then I'll leave it here. Okay, here comes our last train of the day. Amtrak 784. Running 4 minutes late. Or he's caught up, but he was running a little late. He's gonna be coming right through here. 184. Now going south to Union Station and San Diego. Okay, let's see, charger shop. 2111. Okay, that'll be all for the first episode of Moorpark Mondays. I'll see you all either next weekend or next Monday.